This video will show you how you can give Windows 11 this glass-like theme. So as you can see, if I open the start menu, it has this transparent design. The taskbar has a transparent design. The same design is applied in the quick settings panel as well. And even if I open the notifications panel or open the file explorer, the same transparent glass-like design is applied everywhere. So even if I open control panel, as you can see, the glass theme is applied here as well. So if you want to apply the same theme to your Windows 11 PC, what you need to do is open any web browser and then search for Windhawk. So it's a free customization tool for Windows. Simply click on the first link and then download the tool from here. Once you have downloaded and installed the Windhawk app, you will see an interface that looks like this. Here you will see several modes here. You can go to the Explore tab, and here you will first need to search for File Explorer and then select this Windows 11 File Explorer styler and then click on it and then click on this Details button. Now here you will see an option to install it. I've already installed it, so I'm seeing this option to update it. Once you have installed this mod, you need to go to this settings tab right here. You need to go to this themes section, click this drop down menu and then select this translucent Explorer 11. Once you have done that, simply click on the saved settings option to apply the changes. After that, head to the Explorer tab again, head to the search tab again, and this time type in translucent Windows. So you will see this result. Click on this details option right here. Install this mode as well and then head to this settings tab. Here you will need to enable a bunch of options. So first enable this Windows theme custom rendering option. Now scroll down and enable this Windows theme accent colorizer. Now use this drop down menu under effects and then select this blur accent blur behind. Now scroll down and you will see this accent blur behind color blend. Erase this value and then type in 0f 6 times 0. Now scroll down and enable this immersive dark mode title bar and enable this extend effects into entire window. Once all of this is done, scroll up and then click on this settings save settings option. Once you have done this, head to the Explore tab again and this time search for Taskbar styler. Now click on this, you will see this Windows 11 Taskbar styler. Click on details, install this mode as well. Go to the settings tab, use this drop down menu to select translucent taskbar and then select save settings. Head to the Explore tab once again and now type in notification center styler. So you will see this value. Similarly, follow the same process, install the mod, head to the settings tab, select this translucent theme and then save your settings. Head to the Explore tab again and then finally search for start menu styler. Go to the details, install it, head to the settings, select this translucent start menu and hit save settings. Finally, what you need to do is head to the search menu and then search for dark mode. Now select this turn on dark mode system wide and enable dark mode on your Windows 11 PC. Once you do this, you will see the translucent glass-like theme everywhere, including the start menu, file explorer and even this quick settings and notification center. Now anytime you want to disable all these options, you can simply open the Windhawk app, go to this home tab and then disable the toggles that you don't want. So if I select this translucent window, I can disable this file explorer styler, notification center styler, start menu styler and taskbar styler. And as you can see, everything is now back to default. You can also close the Windhawk app from here. So you simply right click its app icon and then select exit and then select exit again to confirm. Once you do this, you will see the default Windows theme like before. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.